this is my boat. It's not in the best condition it used to be in, and that's because it's very old. Now, it's kind of hard to tell, but it's a little dirty. So the first step of restoring my John boat is cleaning it off. I'm just gonna let the rain do that for me. It's all gonna get cleaned off. We're gonna flip it, and then we are going to sand this ugly bottom off. Silver outlines and the red bottoms. Cue the montage. Back to montage. Okay. The second part of the montage. It's day 2. And the boat's getting there, honestly. Yeah, it's not getting there. Now we're gonna sand down in long strokes along the back, and then we'll do this side, and then we'll start sanding down the interior. Okay, we are back. It took a really kind of long time to sand it, so I quit recording. But it's now the night of day 2, and I've just finished sanding the entire boat, which I thought it was going to take at least 3 or 4 days, but it turned out I feel really good. We got it sanded down in less than 24 hours, which is insanely surprising. So the next step in our progress is we are going to paint it. So the colors I'm going for, it's gonna pop up on screen, and it's gonna be like a red and silver combo, like a traditional bass boat, because I'm turning this sucker into a bass boat, you know it. Now, let's get to painting.